Shenzhen Aistar Technology Co. Limited developed cutting-edge screen R&D, manufacturing, marketing and after-sales services since 2012, with decades experiences in LED manufacturing. This Aistartech team have accumulated rich experiences, technology and know-how, which has turned customers' ideas into reality and projects. This Aistartech team has been consistently invested in innovation technology of light visual products, and deeply believe the unique mindset of R&D can make a big difference in the light visual world. Aistartech's production line ranges from indoor and outdoor permanent installation, indoor and outdoor stage rental, Ultra HD LED screen, transparent LED display and creative LED screens, as well as tailored solutions. We have designed and manufactured varieties LED display in all shapes, which were rarely manufactured in the industry before, such as triangular, circular, sphere and curved LED displays. Since its establishment, Aistartech has been successfully installed hundreds of LED screens, LED displays in Europe, Middle East, America, Africa and Asia market, which won its reputation in market by its unique quality and services. We are a group of people of integrity, effectiveness, honesty and responsibilities, and we are looking for the same characterized people to work together. We will do whatever we can to support our partners and customers in projects, markets, events to be successful in local market and expect win-win cooperation. Together, we could make a better visual face and creativity world. Let us do it.